What's going on? Taking a look here at the Bitcoin futures, guys. We'll check out this chart as well as the XRP chart. But first, we'll jump into Bitcoin here and see what's going on. So this is the micro Bitcoin futures. This is the smaller contract to the big boys, the big Bitcoin futures. So if we zoom in here, we had a solid breakout Sunday evening right here on this big candle. And then we faded the rest of the day once the equity markets opened. And we had a pretty weak close. It could be worse, obviously, but it wasn't the greatest close. So anyways, today we are up slightly, but not much. So we'll have to see how this plays out here. Not the strongest close, but sometimes these charts are a bit deceiving before momentum really starts to pick up back to the upside. There is a lot of overhanging resistance here, all in this consolidation here. But like I said, I put out a video a couple days ago. It might have even been on Sunday or Saturday saying, look, I think if there's a big Bitcoin move coming, potentially as soon as next week, and no longer maybe 6:15, 6:20 on Sunday night. When the futures opened, Bitcoin micro futures rocketed higher. We took a long position. It basically sat flat all night and then faded, like I said, all day when the U.S. stock market was open. And so far today, we're basically flat, not much going on. Bitcoin, the regular BTC chart over here, only up $50. Nothing to really talk about there. So we'll see. If this price can't really get its momentum higher, there's a good chance it rolls over. We'll be stopped out of that position and wait for the next one. But so far, so good. Not the greatest close, but hey, sometimes markets take a little bit of time before they really start to amp up. But we did get the higher high, and that's what we were looking for. So we have the initial move lower, undercutting some lows. And then the market, which you'll see a lot, will actually go in the reversed trend and move higher and start to break out to the upside. Lower high, but we got the higher low. And then, like I said, Sunday night, we got the higher high. So we have that change in trend back to the upside. The question is, like I just said, will it hold? So we are going to take a look over at the Bitcoin, or the XRP chart, see what's going on over there. XRP currently down 1%, and we are getting what I talked about. One of the scenarios I spoke about the other day is we have a blow-off move, and then markets move either one down or two sideways. So far, they have been moving down. What's new? This thing is becoming a 50-cent stablecoin, but hey, is what it is. So we have this big blow-off candle here on the 29th of September. And if we look back on the chart, which I did in the past couple XRP videos, when we see moves like this, check out the arrows. When we see moves like this, more than likely that is a top for a while. And the markets go sideways to down. Once again, over here, sideways to down. I probably have some more areas here once as well. So potentially we're seeing that take place here. And like I said, if Bitcoin continues its breakout higher, it should carry something like XRP higher. But Bitcoin has stalled, and that is definitely not helping something like XRP move higher. So just going to hang out between 51,882 and 50624, I guess, for another day, or who knows, probably much longer. We'll see. Support should show up here at 50624. But at this rate, it probably won't. So there's a good chance we're going to break below that and probably head down to, or make our way anyways, down to 48,108. That's the next support level, assuming we undercut the 49,801-ish area. So that is that for XRP. If for some reason we get a surprise breakout to the upside, it's the same levels that have been here for a long time, 51,882, and then 55.56 is above the market. I doubt we'll get much higher than that, unless Bitcoin, like I said, makes a very, very strong move to the upside. So we'll see what happens here. that is that. We're long Bitcoin micro futures. Obviously, we're long XRP. And hey, these markets are not very exciting right now, but there's a lot of good deals out there if you're looking to accumulate at lower prices. Not financial advice, guys. Please make your own decisions. Go ahead, share this video, subscribe if you are not yet joined, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.